Hello everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel, Ritch and Lux. Today I'm going to show you my teardown of Samorga's Bag Organizer. So I ordered online and got this organizer for my Speedy BB, not knowing that it was actually for the Speedy B size 20, and it was too late to cancel the order as they already dispatched the item when I emailed them. So my plan is I am just gonna tear down this organizer today. Lesson learned. So before ordering, especially made to order organizers, make sure you are ordering the correct size for your bag before you actually click on that place order button. Double check and triple check even, especially for these made to order size. So what I'm doing here is just gonna turning it inside out so I can undo the seams, and when the seams are undone, then I will cut and shorten the length and the width. So we are going to undo like about 4 sides of the organizer so we can cut and adjust the seams to make sure to fit it in the Speedy BB. Okay, so I started tearing it up right here. So I'm just gonna go the whole side. So what we're gonna do is cut probably half an inch here and half an inch on this side to make it a little shorter and thinner. So now it looks like this. I opened to 1, 2, 3 sides, so you open it that way, and then I might need to also undo this side so I can cut it this way too. Okay, so now I have this. So this is the sides right here, and then this is the bottom flap like here. So what I'm gonna do is gonna cut this to make it shorter, and then cut on this side to make it a little thinner. But I want to make sure to measure it again to just make sure it fits this time. So actually I'm just winging the measurement. I think I'm just gonna cut 3/4 of an inch on both sides. So this is the bottom, and I'm gonna so this is the original way that it was. So to make it shorter, I'll just fold a little bit more and then adjust the felt here, and then it shortens like that. I don't know if you get it here, if you see it. I might need pins. So now I'm gonna attach them back together and use a pin to keep it in place, like so, right here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so you see here, this is supposed to be like that before from the original. So I'm just gonna move it back like here a little bit to adjust, make it a little thinner. Okay, so this is now how I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut, but I'm just gonna sew this first. I think it probably will fit now. See how much I am gonna cut here. So now, let's see, this one, it will now hopefully fit the Speedy BB, right? What do you think? It will fit? You think it will fit this time? Like that? Okay, I don't want it to get too small either, but hopefully this works now. All right, wish me luck. Okay, so I put markers here because I'm gonna undo it again with the pins, undo the pins because I'm gonna start sewing it now. So I just marked it so I know where the pins are supposed to go later. But this one I'm gonna sew this part, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm done with the sewing. I'm just cutting off all the excess from where we adjusted the size. But look at this silly stitching here. I should have used blue, yes. This is it, guys. I took out about 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch on both the width and the length. So see how this one is right here. You can just put maybe a lipstick here now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it back inside out. So hopefully my sewing doesn't come undone. And voila! Looks okay to me, except for that white thread. I should have not cut corners, but it's cuter and hopefully it fits now. So we'll try to see that. Then we'll see, do a little bit of bag review and what fits. So it's just a little funny looking here, not as streamlined as Samorga. What is the verdict? Ta-da! See if it does. And it goes. It does. Perfect. In here. Still dark. I should have gotten the white. Oh my gosh. So it fits now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. So let's see what I usually put here now. I'm gonna put in my key fob because I use my key clay for cards, and this one fits better without, I don't know, I'm still debating about the 6 key or just keep it like this. So here's my blotting papers. I will put here. So it kind of gives the bag shape too. And my new Chanel lip balm from the Holiday Moisture Must Have fits there. And then my other wallet, it's a card case. Have a flashlight, mini flashlight here. So this one now goes here. It's perfect. And of course, that's number 1. So yeah, I would recommend the bag organizer for this so that it will keep its shape better, because this is lambskin. It kind of flattens if this one touches your body while doing it. I mean, using it as a crossbody. So at least this one will give a little bit shape. So my perfume, Peace doTERRA oil roller. This is necessary for me when I'm stressed. I just take a whiff of that or roll it on my temples. And then my egg, Chanel egg. course this one, and then you can even fit your sunglasses on top of everything here. It works. See, it all is stuffed with everything there. But so far I've been using this, and the only cons on this bag is sometimes you can see the lint here because it's black. I don't know if you can see that. And then the crease right here. So what I do is just push it from the inside like here, like so, put pressure towards the crease, and usually it goes away. So kind of like massage it. So that's the only thing. And then when you're out for like a long time and you use the crossbody, this part here kind of, it makes an indentation from where your hip bone is. So with the organizer, it's more sturdy, it will not make a dent. See, like here, that part there. But with the organizer, it gives it more form. See? So this is a little hollow on top here, that's why you can push it. And then it kind of flattens like the regular Speedies. So I like it more, little structure, give it a little structure, so it's nice and well, you know, structured. And also sometimes the chain kind of dips into your shoulder, but it doesn't hurt, but it's just sometimes you just feel it. So yeah, so far I've had it for I think a month. Is it a month? And I've used it maybe 4 or 5 times. And now with this organizer, it is more structured. And that's it. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And again, thank you for watching and subscribing. And for those who haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. But yeah, there you go, guys. I made it. I tore down the Samorga to fit in my Speedy BB because I bought the wrong size. And Samorga said that they don't really have one for the Speedy BB because this is new. And they said that they will probably have the actual size for the Speedy BB this coming December. So just be careful before you order your bag organizers. Make sure that they fit, especially for like limited ones that they don't make as much as, like, say for the Neverfull. This one is new, so they really don't have it yet. So I thought the Speedy B was that one, was for this one. So that was my mistake. So I had to tear it down so that it fits. So it took a little bit of effort on my part and some, you know, blood and sweat and time, but I'm happy. So yes, thank you for watching. Bye.